Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the AOC C32G2ZE 32-inch curved gaming monitor, a display built for speed and immersion. This 31.5-inch Full HD monitor features a 1500R curve that wraps around your field of view, helping you feel more connected to the action whether you're playing shooters, racing games, or open-world titles. The real highlight here is performance. With a blazing 240 Hz refresh rate and a rapid 0.5 milliseconds response time, gameplay feels incredibly smooth and responsive, giving you that split-second advantage in competitive matches. AMD FreeSync Premium support keeps screen tearing and stuttering under control, syncing your GPU and monitor for fluid motion during intense scenes. Colors are also impressive, with wide gamut coverage that makes visuals look vibrant and punchy. For long sessions, AOC includes low blue light mode and flicker-free technology to reduce eye strain. The three-sided frameless design works great for multi-monitor setups, and it's VESA mount compatible for flexible placement. One thing to consider is the size. At 32 inches, it does take up a fair amount of desk space, but if you have the room, the immersive experience is absolutely worth it. Overall, this monitor delivers serious speed and strong visual impact for competitive gamers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.